How would your life change if you landed your dream job? Surrounded by a fun and supportive community with a mission to help people in a way that gives you meaning, passion, and purpose. Let's be honest, most people live in a time trap. A constant chase to get things done where there's no time left for just you and what you really want to do. What if you could partner with a company as a health entrepreneur where you could help people improve their health and well-being? Zinzino is a publicly traded company listed on the First North Nasdaq Stock Exchange in Sweden, with an impressive track record of double-digit growth since our beginning in 2005. Zinzino now proudly serves happy customers all across Europe and North America. Everyone agrees that eating fish is healthy. Higher levels of omega-3 support a healthy heart, optimal brain function, your immune system, and multiple other important functions in the body. Health organizations, governments, and scientists around the world agree that you should add an omega-3 supplement to your diet to achieve optimal health. After analyzing hundreds of thousands of balance test results, Zinzino has proven that we don't eat enough omega-3 fats, and we eat way too much omega-6. This imbalance is now pandemic. In fact, 99% of the population has too much omega-6 and too little omega-3 in their diet and their body. The lack of omega-3 and abundance of omega-6 can be linked to physical and mental health challenges, totaling billions of dollars in healthcare costs. Our lead product is the Balance Health concept. It is far more effective than normal omega-3 because it's rich in olive polyphenols and vitamin D. We also offer a range of products that are cutting edge, best in class, from the new science of pharmaconutrition. Think about it. We share a product that everyone needs, that will improve you and your customers' health. Our test will prove the efficacy of the product in only 120 days. If your first test shows that you are already in balance, we'll give you your money back. I got excited when I heard I could receive my product free. It worked like this. I placed my order of balance oil, and then I helped my best friend Linda, my colleague Andrew, my neighbor Carla, and my mom to place their orders. And I received my product free. All Zinzino customers can earn free products doing the same. Just get 4 and yours is free every month. Your personal customers give you a direct sales commission, a residual income, and free products. From your team's sales, you'll earn an initial bonus and additional residual income. And now your team can get their products free too. It's a lot of fun. Being in the business of helping people has huge potential. Zinzino is expanding globally, and we invite you to be part of the adventure. Imagine the day you have 20 team members with 25 customers each. Soon, you might have thousands of customers in your team. You paid off your debt. You have more time with your family. And as your income grows, you've earned adventure trips, your dream car, and have a career that brings meaning, passion, and purpose to your life. Above all, you have given thousands of people the ability to improve their health by getting in balance. The best part isn't just what you do, it's the person you become along the way. Zinzino. Inspire change in life.